Hi there. So last few weeks, I was thinking something like if I can set a from visibility on a specific time, or I can set the schedule. So it could be a registration from that can be available for a specific time, but after that specific time has been arrived or crossed, then we will shut down the from. So it's a bit tricky if we are going to do from the from end, and I did not get any settings on any WordPress from is currently available. So I was thinking if I can draw it in different way. So I was trying to create a plugin which will help me, but then I found already available a plugin which can set the blog visibility and hide the from after a specific time period. So let's see how we can do this. So at first, let's go back to our WordPress website. And from the plugins, I'm going to add a new plugin and search for the blog visibility. And you will find the first one is by Nick Diego. So let's install this and active. So now if we are going to add a form or any block on our WordPress website, we can set the visibility. So this is the current view of the block of our Ninja form. But if I am going to reload the page, then I will see extra few settings available here. So at first it could be something like this. So this is the default view of the block. It will add a new visibility option, and from there I can set visibility for different kind of condition. So I can set for the browser and device and show the block if the browser, suppose it's Chrome, so it will be visible. Let's test this out. So right now I'm using Chrome, so it's working fine. Let's copy and open it Safari. Now it's not available because why the condition made it's disable the form. So let's try other condition. So I'm going to clear the rule set and hide this one. So after click again, it will be hide. You can set for cookie daytime. So my initial goal was to hide the from us after a specific time. So let's schedule. So from like I can set from January 1st, and it should be disable on February 1st, and the time should be right now is 11:36 a.m. So I can set like 11:38 okay a.m. So show the block if the schedule applies. So it will be show whenever the time is met. So after it will be 38 a.m. it should be hide, or you can enable this option. So it should be available without this time frame. So you can set something to hide for a specific time, then you can just enable this option. And you can also set this option so it will be repeated. But for now we are good. So make the changes and reload the page. The from is available at this moment. So let's wait a minute, and then we can reload again to check if the from is working or it's meet the condition and hide from the front end of the website. So now it's 11:30 a.m. So we are going to reload, and the from is hidden. So the block is actually hidden. So it's mid the time and it's hide from there. So this is how you can set a visibility to a specific widget. It's should not just limit it to the from widget. It can be any widget and hide after a specific time period. So it can be help when you open a registration from for a specific time period, and then it should be hidden after the time period has been ended. So it's working fine, we can see. So let's check other option. So it's it will hide the block completely. So we are not going to try this. There is a location type of things you can set from there. So on the location doesn't mean the physical location. It means on which type of post type you would like to show this or hide this. There is tons of condition here, so you can check one by one. I'm not going to test one by one, so you can try on your own time. So here is the other things you can set, and this is the good things like hide on desktop, tablet, or mobile. So I can try to hide on tablet and mobile, as we show on other page builder. So it will do the same thing here. So I am on the desktop, it's working fine. Let's open this on mobile. So it's working fine because the skin size is just changed, but the device type is not changed. Could be user event or user meta or something like this, user agent. So the user agent has not been changed. That's why it's look like this. So we can try using a extension. It's not changed yet. So I don't tablet. Okay, let's save the changes again. Okay, go here. So it's working. We can try from another responsibility. We can check from there. So let's see if it's working or not. So it's actually working. So you see it's working. Our browser extension on was not able to change the user agent. That's why it's just change the skin size. So it will detect the user agent and height. So right now it's able to track the user agent and its height. So let's just disable this option. So it will be show on mobile but hide on tablet. So let's reload again. So it should be now visible to mobile and hide on tablet. Let's reload the page. Sometimes cache can be affect there, and reload these things again. It's not working. Not sure why. So it can be back on this extension, or let's try the opposite one. Reload. Okay. It's not working. So it can be back on this block. So we can just skip this one. So this is how you can set the visibility for skin size. You can set URL path, user role. It's very interesting. So you can set this to public, or suppose it should be available for only logged in user or a specific user role. So we can set this like block is visible only for the logged in user. So let's save changes, reload the page. So if I am going to try from the incognito window, that means I'm not logged in, it should be hidden. So yes, it's working. So this is how you can set the block visibility for a different type of condition. I think this helps. So if you need any other things you would like to learn from me, you can comment below and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching the video and see you on the next step.